So this is some random old tripod that I found on the side of the road, and I was like, that looks pretty cool. I want that, so I picked it up off the side of the road and I took it home and I left it in my garage for a couple of weeks, months, who knows. I was like, ooh, I can restore this, let's clean it up. So that's exactly what I did. I just kind of hosed it down with some contact cleaner. It's basically like brake cleaner, but a lot more gentle. So I use that because that's really good at getting off contact cleaner, brake cleaner is really good at getting off adhesive residue and all sorts of other goop and junk. So that's what I did. Just kind of hosed it down, a good one, and then wiped it off. Because this is a really nice tripod. You know, it gets really tall. You know, it's really well built. It's like, I don't know, probably from the 70s or something. I don't know how old it is. I don't know exactly what model, who makes it, but this was a robust tripod, so I picked it up and I took it home and I'm restoring it, baby, because I'm going to use it. It's still perfectly usable. You know, just because it's old doesn't mean it's junk, you know? It's perfectly usable. So anyway, I'm just cleaning that, sticking the paper towel in there. So that I could lift that up and make my life a lot easier, but whatever. And then this rubber piece at the top here that the camera sits on, the adhesive was ancient and just kind of peeled right up, so I had to clean that off again using more contact cleaner and eventually some WD-40 to clean that off. Give it a good scrub, use some toothpicks to get into those little holes there. There we go, it's clean enough for now. We'll come back to that later. Okay, now it's time to clean off the rubber piece here and the adhesive off the bottom of that, so I can re-adhere it later. Give that a good little clean. Now it's looking good, baby. That's nice. Okay, I mean the bottom of it, the legs are pretty clean. This one was actually, for sitting outside for however long it was, probably for weeks, it's extremely clean. You know, just had to give it a couple little wipe downs here and there. But it was really extremely clean and it just worked. You know, it was in really, really good condition. I was surprised. I didn't really have to do hardly anything to it. So this isn't really a restoration, more of like a gentle wipe down, really. So here I tried to, because the legs are very loose, so I tried to fix that bolt and that didn't work. This is the funny part. So basically I was like, let me grab this thing of silly glue here, crazy glue, to re-adhere that rubber piece. But the bottle was super old, so it just kind of exploded. And it was this weird jelly-like thing. It wasn't really very sticky until it was. And it was like, oh, this is not good. This is the wrong consistency. This is supposed to be a liquid. Something's wrong here. Let's keep going anyway. Oh, nope, that's definitely not right. Abort mission! Abort mission! Oh god. Why am I just making it worse? We're making it worse! Oh god, do I have to clean this up? Oh no, okay. It's fine. Let's put some cleaner on there and scrub it down. And then we'll follow that up with some WD-40 and let that sit for a little bit. And we'll give it a good old scrub with the steel wool, or the copper wool here. And then I'll clean it up real good, real nice. And then we'll just re-adhere that top piece. Again, now the only problem with this, as I was mentioning before, is that the legs of it are kind of loose. So I was trying to fix that screw, maybe to tighten it or loosen it, but I was just going to strip it, so I just kind of left it alone. So we'll figure that out later. But for now, it's pretty much, it's better than the tripod I used to film this video, that's for darn sure. It has very smooth pans. It's so nice because I can smoothly pan the camera left and right and up and down, which is just wonderful. So yeah, this is my new tripod. Okay, bye.